As you might recall from our previous videos, we have talked about the several benefits one could get by becoming a woodworker. There are several people worldwide who make a living by being a woodworker and creating pieces they love every day. Beyond the economic benefit, woodworking also offers physical benefits that contribute to overall well-being. The physicality of woodworking can enhance fitness levels and promote a healthy lifestyle. Woodworking involves various physical activities, including lifting heavy materials, standing for extended periods, and using hand tools that require strength and coordination. Engaging in these activities can improve physical fitness, enhance muscle strength, and promote overall health. Working with small tools and intricate designs helps develop fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination. These skills are essential not only in woodworking but also in various daily tasks that require precision and dexterity. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you another collection of beautiful wooden decorative pieces and wood furniture ideas for your next woodworking venture. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor and craft ideas videos on daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. As individuals engage in woodworking projects, they become more aware of body mechanics and ergonomics. Learning how to position oneself correctly while working can lead to better posture and reduced risk of injury, skills that are beneficial in all areas of life. Social connection is another important benefit of being a woodworker. Woodworking can serve as a means of building social connections and community engagement. Whether through classes, clubs, or online forums, woodworkers often find camaraderie among fellow enthusiasts. Joining a local woodworking club or participating in workshops provides opportunities for social interaction and collaboration. Sharing knowledge, techniques, and experiences fosters a sense of belonging in community among woodworkers. Experienced woodworkers often take on mentoring roles for beginners, sharing their expertise and passion for the craft. This mentorship not only strengthens social bonds but also helps preserve traditional woodworking skills for future generations. Woodworking can be a wonderful family activity that encourages collaboration and teamwork. Parents can involve their children in simple projects, teaching them valuable skills while creating lasting memories together. Economic benefits are often the most important benefit most people want to gain from their woodworking venture. For those individuals, woodworking can evolve from a hobby into a viable source of income. The demand for handmade wooden items has surged in recent years as consumers seek unique products over mass-produced alternatives. Woodworkers can sell their creations at local craft fairs, online marketplaces like Etsy, or through social media platforms. This entrepreneurial aspect allows individuals to turn their passion into profit while sharing their craftsmanship with a broader audience. Many woodworkers find success by taking on custom commissions for furniture or home decor items. By building a reputation for quality work, they can attract clients who appreciate bespoke pieces tailored to their specific needs. As woodworkers gain experience, they may choose to diversify their skill set by learning related crafts such as upholstery or metalworking. This diversification opens up additional revenue streams and enhances overall marketability as artisans. Adding wooden decorative pieces to your house can offer a variety of benefits, both aesthetic and functional. Wood brings a warm, organic feel to any space. Its natural textures and grains can enhance the overall beauty of your home, creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Wooden decorative pieces come in various styles, sizes, and finishes, making them suitable for any decor theme, whether modern, rustic, traditional, or eclectic. High-quality wood is durable and can last for many years if properly maintained. Wooden pieces can withstand wear and tear better than some other materials. When sourced responsibly, wood is a sustainable material. Choosing reclaimed or sustainably harvested wood can contribute to environmentally friendly practices. Wood has a natural ability to make spaces feel warmer and more comfortable. It can soften the look of a room and create a more relaxed environment. In general, tackling woodworking projects offers a wealth of benefits that enrich individuals' lives in numerous ways. From developing practical skills and enhancing mental health to fostering creativity and building social connections, woodworking is a multifaceted pursuit that resonates with people of all ages. Whether you are looking for a fulfilling hobby, seeking stress relief, or aspiring to create beautiful handmade items, woodworking provides an avenue for personal growth and self-expression. As you embark on your woodworking journey, remember that each project is not just about the final product but also about the skills you develop, the challenges you overcome, and the joy you experience along the way. In today's world where digital distractions abound, immersing yourself in the tactile experience of working with wood can be both grounding and rewarding. So gather your tools, choose your project, and embrace the countless benefits that come from tackling woodworking endeavors. Your mind, body, and spirit will thank you. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked beautiful wooden decorative pieces and wood furniture ideas for your next woodworking venture. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.